We are Strictlyoz Fishing, coming out of Hastings. Beautiful day out on the water. Late January. We'll see what we can get today. You just never know what's going to happen. Stay tuned. Hopefully we've got some fish on, no doubt. This is huge. This is salmon. A lot of spots. Yeah. We love. The water. Decent. Nice. That's how we do it. We just keep catching these KGWs. Not bad fish.
She's over 40 again, Chris. Oh, you left my bait there. Oh, look at the head shakes. Oh my God, what is this?
It's a monster King George.
Look at the size of it!
Hang on.
Oh, please don't lose it! Oh, please don't lose it! Oh, please! It's probably the biggest one I've ever caught.
Oh, what a monster!
Look at the size of that, mate! Look at the size of that big brother! Strictly yours!
Another nice day out in Western Port. We did well. We've got about 10, 15 nice big horse whiting, other bits and bobs. Great day, Strictlyoz Fishing.